everybody. We're back with another thrift store mechanical keyboard. This time it is the Rapoo brand, and paired with a Cooler Master. Master Set MS121. Slides great. Everything works perfectly. It doesn't look all that bad either. So, what do you think of this thing? Not bad, right? Let's just lock it down. Let's just get a sound test going on. Not too bad, right? Yeah, not bad. Okay. And so let's take a look at one of these keys. So they're using a mechanical switch, but it's their own brand. It's Rapoo. I can't, oh, there we go. Rapoo. There we go. I knew we could do it. All right, guys. So that's my Rapoo keyboard. The space bar isn't awesome, but otherwise, everything else is good. So what do you think of this thing? Do you think it's pretty cool? I think it's okay. It's not my Keychron keyboard, but it's actually quite good. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next one.